Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. You can use it to create contact list, budget, invoice, and just about anything else you can imagine. When you open Excel, there's a good chance you will be taken to the start screen first. From here, you can access recent workbook or create something new either from scratch or from a template. In this example, we click the blank workbook. Next, you might want to explore the interface and make sure you know your way around. Let's begin with the ribbon, which is the collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. The ribbon is divided into tables like page layouts, insert, and home, so you can find easily that you're looking for. There are also commands on each tab that you have been organized into groups. For example, if you look closely at the fonts group, you will find everything you need to work with. Text includes options like bold, italic, and font color and size. If you ever feel like the ribbon is taking up too much space, you can always hide or minimize it. All you have to do is clicking the arrow in the upper right corner, then choose the option you want. Here you can update your photo, manage your account setting, and switching to different accounts altogether. You can even customize your copy of Excel to make a certain command more convenient. Look the quick access toolbar in the upper left corner. This area gives you access to frequently used commands like save and undo, or no matter where you are at the ribbon. To add more commands, you just click the tiny arrow next to the toolbar. To add more commands, just click the tiny arrow next to the toolbar, then choose the one you want. I'm going to add new, also quick print, because I use both of these commands pretty frequently.